This is something that's different than we used to do in the old golden days, and that's putting these dryer vent pan, I guess you would call it, in here. And the reason for this is because in in the past you would have this hose sticking out of the wall, and you couldn't get your dryer all the way against the wall. And someone came up with this very clever idea that now the hose will come up into this pan. It's actually recessed in the wall. So when it's hooked up to your dryer vent, you can actually push it all the way against the wall. Saves, 6 or 8 inches, which are really valuable in a laundry room, and makes things a whole lot easier for service. And this, obviously, where this elbow is, this thing vents directly out the sidewall. And so that means you're not going to have problems with lint buildup and things like that. So this is a great thing to do, and I think you could do a retrofit under the right circumstances. So check this out if you're having problems with your dryer.